Bonjour, bonjour tout le monde. C'est Madame Davis avec
Claire.
And what are we talking about now? Counting to
100.
100. We're just going to focus on 60 through 100 because we've done other tutorials for counting to 20 and counting to 70. So let's just remember, our 1 through 20. Claire, here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, and going with the tens places, 30 is
30.
trente. And remember our little
40.
ants. Yep, the ants driving a
car.
40.
40.
And 50 is
Blub, 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 the ants sank.
50. And 60 is
Sank.
the ants in a sauce.
In a sauce.
Soixante. So let's start from soixante and count the soixantes with me, Claire. Here we go. Soixante et un.
62, 63, 64,
4,
65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70.
Oui, 70 is soixante-dix. And it's a little bit weird, isn't it? Because we have to look to the teens to say the 70s. So 70 is soixante-dix, and then we go soixante et onze,
72, 73, 74, 65,
cans,
76, 77, 78, 79.
and 80 is quatre-vingts. Quatre-vingts, and it's normal. So we're over here again, and we just go quatre-vingt-un, quatre-vingt-deux, quatre-vingt-trois, quatre-vingt-quatre, quatre-vingt-cinq, quatre-vingt-six, quatre-vingt-sept, quatre-vingt-huit, 89. And then 90 is 90. 90. It's weird again, so we have to look to the teens to say the 90s. Here we go, 90, and then 91,
92,
93,
94,
95,
96, 97, 98, 99.
and 100 is cent. Oui, cent.
What's 0?
Zéro. Bravo. Merci Claire.
Au revoir.
Merci tout le monde. Au revoir.